Okay, that's trash there. Let's see here. We've got us a nice little. Is it black? You know, one of the issues that I've had with I ordered some of these straps, and I like black and red, but what I realized is a lot of them are coming out as navy blue. Yeah, a lot of them, even though they say black, they're really kind of a navy. Oh, maybe is it black? Yeah, it really looks navy blue, and I'm definitely not a fan of the blue. I prefer the black and red myself. Let's see, what a weird pack. It looks like they literally used a air compressor and you know, they're this. Let's see here. Okay, let's see here. That's trash. Probably should drag over the trash can. Okay. How am I going to approach this? I got to come up with a 4-stage plan. See, I'm cutting away. Like that's some pro level shit right there. Okay. It's like saran wrap. You know, you got some high quality shit when you. I'm disappointed in the strap. I mean, I'll still use it. A lot of these I plan on just making as gifts, and so it's kind of more for the journey, more so. There's not any type of major, so it's okay. I'll give that away as a gift. Ooh, that's a lot of packaging for let's see here. Ooh. Is this a watch? What is this? Oh, it's a watch. It's a complete watch. Okay. This is one of those AliExpress watches that I had. I kind of wanted to check out the case. And the handset. And this was like, so it does have a a chamfer. I'm gonna get a little pointer. It does have a little chamfered edge right here on the, and yeah, I think this was like a $60 or $70. Oh, I'm not holding up the camera. My bad. You can kind of tell a little chamfered lens there, and then this is like a homage to the the alignment from the inner bezel, or the ring, and the handset is like perfect. Very impressive. But it's, there's no branding on this, and so let's see what the bezel click is like. Okay. And you can tell that when you match them up together, obviously this is blue, but that's already moving. And so is this a screw-on crown? Let's see. Let me yeah. Oh, is it bidirectional? No. You can see my hands are fogging. A little cool outside. Oh wow, that's perfect. Like, they did it great. Look at my hands, fogged it up. Yeah, they got the alignment on that. It's perfect. So this is just basically like it's got an N35 NH35 movement. There's no hour time. I mean, no. What am I trying to say? Let's see. Man, it feels good on the wind. Okay. Looks like it's got a shadow date adjustment. Okay, what time is it? It says 5:18, so it's 6:18. But the mechanism feels solid. I don't know how I feel about. I might change that up. It might be too busy. 6, 10, 15, so 18. Is it? Yeah. But this is that Willard case. I think I'm saying that right. And it has a it might be like the Willard case 2.0. It might be the Willard case 2.0, but yeah, it's just PVD'd, I think, black. Very nice, very nice. I part of the inspiration for this, let me show you this real quick. Part of the inspiration for this is I had ordered a bronze one, which I really liked, but a bronze one that I had really liked. Here, let me get this. Here's this one, and you can see right. We can do a little side-by-side comparison here. And this is a dive steel. My bad. This is a dive steel. And it looks like the case design is very, very similar. Just a different handset. Just a printed dial. I'm curious if Loom. Very, very, very. This has got more of a... It's got a different bezel style, but man, what a great price point. I think this was $60. I think this was $60. So great price point. I might change the bezel. I don't know yet. It's kind of part of this journey is just modern watches, right? So it doesn't matter too much what it ends up being. We'll put this to the side for now because I'm gonna go put a case handle. So let's see what some of this other stuff is. Nice little lifty case. Okay, got to make sure that I don't throw away parts. So we got here. Let's see. Okay, I got to make sure that I stay over the camera. Oh, make sure that there's nothing in there. All right. What do we have here? That's I guess when you're ordering micro components from AliExpress, I probably could get a little closer. From AliExpress. So the difference between AliExpress and Alibaba is that AliExpress is more, it's like basically it's like China's version of Amazon. And so Express is a couple of items and Alibaba is multiple items. And so